Hi everybody. I just want to talk to you about how to keep makeup out of your lines and wrinkles. So if you have mature skin, first I recommend that you use a good moisturizer. So try to stay away from silicones. Silicones help products to spread, but they're not very good moisturizers, and in a lot of cases they actually lock moisture out. So try to stay away from those. So use a good moisturizer and of course a sunscreen. And then make sure you have the right color of makeup. If you use a color that's too light, it's going to really highlight lines, wrinkles, pores, that kind of stuff. So you want to make sure you have the right color. And I also recommend a cream makeup. I have been using cream makeup for years. My very favorite, and really the only one I use now, is my Saint palette. So this is the one where your entire face fits in one slim palette. I already have my makeup dotted on my face, so make sure you don't put too much on at once. You can always go back and add more where you need coverage, but start out with just a little bit and that's going to help right there. So I have my main highlight, my brightening highlight, my contour, and my bronzer on already. And I'm just going to start to blend it in. So when I blend, I just pat all over. So I don't swirl, I don't swipe. That could stir up some dry, flaky skin. It's going to move your makeup. If you pat, it's going to kind of press it into your skin. So I usually do the lighter areas first, and then I go back and do my contour just to keep my brush clean. I'm using the powder brush, and I've just recently really fallen in love with this brush. A lot of people use the 3D brush when they first start, and that's a really good one, but it has the buffy end, which is good for people that need a little more coverage. You're trying to hide some sunspots. And then I find this end is really nice for getting under the eyes. So you're just patting, and then I'll go ahead and pat in that contour. So I don't have my blush on yet. I'm just trying to show you how to keep makeup out of lines and pores. So the first step is pat, pat, pat. So while you're blending, you could use your hand to kind of gently pull back the skin and really pat into those lines. That's going to help get excess makeup out of there. You can lift the forehead to do the same, and that's going to help a lot. If you still need more help, you can use the warmth of your hands to melt that makeup into places where you have lines. So makeup is not going to erase your lines or smooth out bumps. It's just going to make your skin look better. It's not going to make your skin as smooth as baked on an animal. You're still going to have texture. It's just going to look more polished, more vibrant, more alive, so people don't really notice that kind of stuff. If you still need more help, you can use a dry sponge and just roll it into areas where makeup might be getting caught. This will really smooth out your skin. A dry sponge will pick up excess. And if you still feel like you have texture, you can spray your sponge with a little bit of Stay Spray or a hydration spray. This one is from Saint, and I'm just going to spray some on my sponge. Another one that I like is from Too Faced, the 3-in-1, and I also like Jane Iredale's hydration spray. So my sponge is barely damp, and that will help a lot. You can also spray your whole face. So that's really nice if you have dry skin. And then before you're done, make sure you get up close, look in a magnifying mirror, and make sure you haven't missed any spots. So try these tips, let me know if you need any help. And this makeup is so good for mature skin. I love it, and I hope you love it too. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.